Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about menopausal vaginal dryness. The positive side of menopause. Menopause is often called the dam or the change. Personally, I prefer to refer to menopause as change because not all aspects of leaving the reproductive part of life are negative. There are benefits such as no more mess to deal with, no more worrying about unwanted pregnancy. Women who have heavy or painful periods finally get relief. The negative side of menopause. However, there is a downside to menopause. You may experience some or all of the following symptoms: hot flashes, irritability, vaginal dryness, pain during intercourse. The role of estrogen. At menopause, less estrogen is produced in your body than the levels you had when you were fertile. In fact, postmenopausal women usually produce only about 30% of the estrogen they were producing before. Unfortunately, this lack of estrogen causes changes in the vagina, including dryness. Less lubrication from the vagina means more friction in the vagina during penetrative intercourse. This increased friction can quickly become painful. Some medical options for vaginal dryness after menopause. Oral hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Until very recently, most doctors prescribed oral HRT, hormone replacement therapy in tablet form. Oral HRT greatly improves menopausal symptoms, but unfortunately oral HRT has been linked to an increased risk of many types of cancer. Breast cancer rates and ovarian cancer rates are significantly higher in HRT users. Many doctors are aware of the increased risk of cancer, recommend the minimum dose of HRT that can successfully relieve symptoms and only use it for the shortest period of time. Vaginal estrogen creams. Another medical option is an estrogen cream that is applied by smearing the vagina. Because estrogen creams are applied locally and even swallowed, which then affects the whole body, they are somewhat safer than oral HRT pills. Unfortunately, estrogen creams also increase the risk of endometrial cancer. The common advice is to use it infrequently or as little as possible. Viagra for women. Studies have been done by Pfizer, the makers of Viagra, that show that taking Viagra citrate, before sex can help increase lubrication in women who experience vaginal dryness during intercourse. Please consult your physician for advice if you are considering any of the medical options listed above. Non-medical and natural ways to dry the vagina after menopause. Personal lubricants. The simplest way to treat vaginal dryness is to use personal lubricants, also known as sexual lubricants, such as those you find in supermarkets, drugstores, adult stores, and online. There are even natural varieties made from the kiwi fruit. The role of diet. A healthy diet consisting of plenty of fresh foods and vegetables and plenty of good, natural fats helps restore moisture to skin cells everywhere, including the vagina. Natural herbal supplement. You may also want to try natural herbal supplements such as evening primrose oil or black currant oil, which contain concentrated gamma-linoleic acid, GLA, that can help balance female hormones. Bioidentical herbal hormone replacement therapy. Consulting a naturopath who specializes in bioidentical, herbal, hormone replacement can bring you amazing relief. Many women have had great results from a natural treatment option such as a dedicated natural herbal remedy. Natural vaginal cream. A 99% natural vaginal cream called Lady Soothe contains the essential oils of tea tree and lavender, both of which are known for their natural estrogenic properties. Lady Soothe contains moisturizing coconut oil and is applied with clean fingers to the vagina. Lady Calming can be useful in helping to lubricate and boost estrogen levels in the vagina, naturally. Please, after you have finished watching the video, we advise you to look at the links in the description. There is something very important and useful waiting for you. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about menopausal vaginal dryness, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.